Lentils are vegetables that have been around since the Egyptian pharaohs era. With 3 primary types of lentil, brown, green or red, these legumes are popular due to their health benefits. Also, their nutritional values made them one of the most popular superfoods nowadays. Health benefits of lentils. Number 1. Lentils can boost energy levels. Due to their high content of fiber, protein and complex carbohydrates, lentils can promote better energy distribution in the body. Also, this combination of essential compounds for the body's well-being prevent blood sugar spikes and permit slow energy release throughout the day. The high iron content encourages the body to create more energy too. Number 2. Lentils support heart health. Another health benefit of lentils refers to the heart. This superfood is low in sodium and trans fats while it is high in fiber. This combination, along with the magnesium and potassium found in lentils, can better circulation and protect the heart against damage. Number 3. Lentils balance cholesterol levels. Some studies found that eating daily lentils can diminish LDL cholesterol. This, in turn, leads to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease and overall health improvement. Number 4. Lentils prevent blood clots. Among the health benefits of lentils, we can mention blood clot prevention. These vegetables have in their composition impressive amounts of vitamin K. This vitamin is responsible for balancing insulin levels and preventing killing existing cells. Besides, it prevents blood clots from forming. Number 5. Lentils fight free radicals. Having a diet based on lentils can aid in preventing and fighting free radicals damage. Lentils are rich in antioxidants that prevent harmful cells from forming. Besides, due to the unique composition that features both essential vitamins and nutrients, lentils support the formation of new and healthy cells. Number 6. Lentils promote healthy circulation. Several studies show that lentils can better symptoms associated with poor circulation. It includes numb hands or feet, flaking skin, loss of hair, or brittle nails.